Triforce of wisdom! Mine at last! Silence! No, you imbeciles! Get them like this! Back in the evil jar! The Triforce of Wisdom is mine! Can't you go any faster? Dinner time! No, Goma, now! Reach down from the top! Princess Zelda? Link has been transformed into a frog! Enough mush. I've waited long enough for this moment. You, take care of him. One Triforce of Wisdom! And perhaps a little kiss. Link? What? You cannot hide from me! A prisoner! Lost is Link!
I say, that wasn't nice at all. Really, that was quite impolite.
Silenced. I'll get you yet, Link and Zelda! Where's the Triforce? I'm very upset! You're sorry! You're all idiots! Zelda! Chiku! Ouch! Ow! 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 the present. The triforce of wisdom! What? What? Ow! I'll get you for this, old man! I'll stay! Die! These two! Retreat! Retreat! So, you failed to get the princess! I want that princess. Not even marry me! And make me ruler of all Hyrule! My future bride? Another time, Link! Another time! Time to send you to my evil jar! Wait. Not quite what I planned, but it will do. Give me the Triforce, Princess. Most curious. Until that Triforce is mine, the princess will never see her pet hero again! What? Impossible! Blast! Why would Zelda be able to see him? Zelda in love with Link? Oh, how disgusting! They're here! Find them, my servants! Now! I have you now!
No, you don't.
No! I'll get you for this, Link! I'll get you! Maybe that will shock some sense into you! All right then. I volunteer you! Once again, my plan is perfect! I'll get you! Blast! Let me out! You'll pay for this, you traitors! No! No! Not the bottomless pit! No! Those traitors, vermin! Blast! I'm still falling! And none of my magic will get through this bubble! Inside the bubble! It works! I'm rising!